get Jenna, how are you doing today? I heard you went to Firefly, and that's pretty cool. Okay, I hope you had a good time seeing Red Hot Chili Peppers or whoever you happen to see. But take it from me, I had a good time when I went to all the shows. I got paid to be there because I am an artist, and they want some artists to be there. But I don't care if I had a heart attack. In fact, you may have been able to get me off my back. In fact, you're an EMT supervisor or something like that. You know how to save some lives, kick some ass once or twice. Hey girl, you rock the world, and you don't care if you tread on anyone's feet when you're getting there, girl. Oh girl, I hope you had a good time while you were there. See you next time. Happy Tuesday, goodbye.